Welcome back to the channel. 70% of IT employees could be at risk in 2026, not because they're bad at their jobs, but because AI is getting better. This isn't the future. This is already happening. Today, AI can write code, test software, fix bugs, and even build entire projects in minutes. What used to take a full team can now be done by a single tool. So, companies are asking one simple question: why hire 10 people when AI plus 3 skilled professionals can do the same work? And that's why layoffs are increasing. But AI isn't the only reason. During COVID, companies hired too many people. Now they're correcting that. At the same time, AI is replacing repetitive tasks. Many freshers still lack real-world skills, and companies are under pressure to cut costs globally. Put all of this together, and jobs start disappearing. But here's the truth: most people don't understand. IT jobs are not ending, they are evolving. AI is not replacing people, it's replacing people who don't use AI. So, if you're a student or fresher, this is your opportunity. Start learning Python, understand how to use AI tools effectively, build skills in data analysis, learn prompt engineering, get familiar with basic machine learning concepts. Because in the future, companies won't just ask, "Do you know coding?" They'll ask, "Can you use AI to solve problems faster and smarter?" And that changes everything. In 2026, there will be only two types of IT employees: those who use AI and those who get replaced by it. The choice is yours. Follow for more real tech insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.